Okay, so what we have here is the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, it is just a little board, and this is considered a mini computer. On this card right here, we have what is the Raspbian OS. This has been pre-configured, and you can find tutorials online. It'll be in the description below. So what you need to do here, once the Raspbian is on here, is you want to slide it into this slot right here, like so.
Ooh.
Once it's in there, you should be able to do anything that you need to do. Then once you do that, you want to plug in this. This is our mouse and our keyboard. Usually you'll have two, but we have a merged one. Then once you
also, a quick side note, if I could figure out how to zoom out, we have this little dongle right here. That is our mini USB for wireless internet. You can see it has a Ethernet port on it. You can use either wireless if you have the USB wireless adapter, or you can do a wired connection. It's all your preference.
Right. Okay, so from here, what you need to do is you want to take your HDMI, which is already connected to our television, and then what you're going to do is plug it in right here, like so. And once you have the HDMI in, this will ensure that you can get into your television and you can see what's on the Raspberry Pi. Then from here, last but not least, you want to make sure there's power getting to this. So what you need to do is find the charger, which is right here, and then another charger, which is this right here. Then you just want to put it in the slot, like so, until you hear a click, like that. From there, you get this red light. This shows that power is getting to it. Then once you turn the monitor on, just to show you what is going on this end, want to make sure the power is getting on.
There we go.
When you see the green light come on the USB, that ensures that it's working. It can recognize that this is USB.
That's why we prefer using a wireless USB keyboard and mouse, so that way we have a little bit of confirmation.
Yeah. And then from here, what you have is this going through everything that's going on. This shows that it's going through everything and it knows what it needs to do. Then you have the Raspberry login, or Raspberry Pi login. For this, for us, it is Pi. And you hit enter. Then it'll say password. If this is your first time getting it, the password will be Raspberry. But for us, we changed it due to the security reasons. So I'll just type ours in there. Then it'll give you this. This is Raspberry Pi. This is the command prompt. On this paper here, we have Start X. Start X is how you get into your main directory. So if I go here and I hit Start X, it'll take you to your dashboard, which will pop up here shortly, as you can see here. And from here you have LX terminal, which is your computer terminal, idle 3, which is another terminal, Wi-Fi configuration, which we've already configured to work with this, Debian references, that's for if you want to do something with the Raspberry Pi that's outside its means, OCR resources, Python games, which is just random games you can play on this. We also have a Python command prompt in here, which is called idle. Then we have Midori, which is the internet browser. Mathematica, which is our word processor. Scratch, which is it allows us to design games designed around a two-dimensional character. So that is how you put together and turn on your Raspberry Pi.